How to get your e-ticket from Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to obtain your e-ticket from Expedia. So if you're having trouble getting your e-ticket, don't worry, this video will guide you through the process with some easy steps. First of all, you have to open the Expedia application and make sure that it's updated to the latest version available, and also log into your specific account. Now, once you're logged in, go to the trip section at the bottom center of the screen and tap on it. Then find and click on your boarding to access the reservation overview page. If you can't find your booking, try refreshing the page for a few minutes, or you can also go ahead and click on Find Your Booking option and then enter your itinerary number. Now, to print your e ticket, click on Print a Ticket on the reservation overview page. This will provide you with your e ticket, which includes your itinerary number and other important details. Remember that the e tickets do not have a physical counterpart, so you can check in with your airline using the confirmation number or the ID, either online or at the airport. So, this was all about it. This is exactly how you can get your e ticket from Expedia. So, if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.